Hello, good night. My name is Muhammad Gilang Saputra. NIM 44251484. Yes, output of frequency. Output, output of frequency. How often an action happens. Uh, Today I will explain about output of frequency. These are what we use to have how often an action happens in our daily life. Definition. Uh, Outward or frequent so often we do something. Use and simple present tense. Outward or frequent so how often we do something. We usually use them when talking about habit or routines, and they are commonly used in the simple present tense. Common output always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. These are the most common output of frequent. We use the word to show how often an action happiness they help use describe or daily activities. Always. Ex- Example, she always ate breakfast. Always mean the activity happen every time. Your 30%, for example, she always eats breakfast, meaning she never skip it. Usually, example, they usually walk to school. Usually means the action happiness most of the time. Around 90%, for example, they usually walk to school, meaning they walk almost every day. Often, example, we often play basketball. Often means the action every many times or around 70%. Example, we often play basketball. It means we do it frequent, but no ever die. Sometimes, example, hey, sometimes with TP, white TP. Sometimes means the action happens occasionally around 50%, for example. Hey, sometimes what TP meaning not regularly but occasionally. Really. Example, she really ate those food. Really means the action almost never hap- happens around 10%. Example, she really ate those food. That means it is pretty seldom. Never. Ex, ex, well, I never smoke. Never means the action does not happen at all or 0%. For ex, example, I never smoke. I mean, smoking is something I do not do. Sentence better. Better subject outward false. Example, she always eats breakfast. Most of the time, outward of frequency are placed before the main verb. Example. She always ate breakfast. The adverb always goes before the verb. Yeah. Af- After verb be, partner with verb be, subject be, after. Example, he is usually late. When the verb in the sentence is be, am, is, are. The adverb is placed after the verb. Example, he is usually late. Not. He usually is late. Frequency order. Order of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, really, never. Here we can see the order from most frequent to least frequent. This helps use the with adverb to use. Example. Example. I always study at night. They rarely play game. He never late. These, these are examples of adverbs I use in sentence. It stands so how often the action happens. Structure example. Structure subject verb verb. Example, they often read books. This is the basic structure. The verb actually read before the main verb. Example, they often read books. Structure with be. Structure with verb be. Subject be outward. Example, she is always happy. For the verb be, the adverb common after the verb. Example, she is always happy. The adverb from follows it. Question from. Question from do, thou, does, subject, verb. Example, do you often exert? To ask about frequent, we can use do or does. Example, do you often exert? It asks how often someone does something. Short answers. Short answer. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, she does. Does. No, she does. When answering frequent questions, we can respond using short answers like yes, I don't know. I don't. Common mistake. He ate our rest. Benar. She always is right. Many layers put the effort in the wrong place. Remember, the effort must be for the main verb. Mini practice. Practice fill in the blank with out from explore. Ex- Example, she goes to school. No, try filling in the blank using adverb of frequent. For example, she goes to school. Choice based on how often the action happens. Summer. Summer adverb of frequent till how often we do something. In conclusion, upfront of frequent help us describe our routines and habit they so often. It, Thank you.